What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you top 5 with 10 EAS alerts that you don't want to see. I will also be posting this video on my other channel if you want to go check it out. If you don't know it, I'll just put the name right here if you don't know it. Yeah, let's get to it.
National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Russellville, Arkansas, until 8:15 p.m. on the Weather Service Doppler radar. This storm was located in Phoenix with 50% damaging winds. The severe thunderstorm will be near 6 to 8:15 p.m. Also, this storm might be at Pottsville, London, and Fort Smith. Remember, stay indoors if lightning striking on ground and don't go under a tree.
Flash flood warning for the following counties in New York: Westchester, in Connecticut, Fairfield, Litchfield, New Haven, Hartford and Middlesex. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a flash flood warning for extreme northeastern Westchester County in southeastern New York, Fairfield County in southwest Connecticut. This includes the cities of Stamford, Greenwich, Danbury and Bridgeport, southeastern Litchfield County in northwest Connecticut. This includes the city of Torrington, New Haven County in south-central Connecticut. This includes the city of Waterbury, Meriden and New Haven, southern Hartford County in north-central Connecticut. This includes the city of Hartford, northwestern Middlesex County in northeast Connecticut until 8 p.m. at 3:37 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from thunderstorms repeatedly moving through the same area. Radar has detected 3 to 5 inches of rain had fallen in since midday. Extreme northeastern Westchester, Fairfield, southeastern Litchfield, New Haven, southern Hartford and northwestern Middlesex counties. Heavy rain had moved out of the warned area since the past 30 minutes. Another band of heavy rain is expected to occur, although moderate to light will continue to fall between 5 and 8 p.m. But excessive runoff is likely to continue through 8 p.m. These storms were moving east at 15 miles per hour at 3:30 p.m. The state police reported 1 foot of water in Washington. Other locations in a warning include but are not limited to Norwalk, Milford, Shelton, Hampton, Wallingford, Bristol, New Britain, Washington, Woodbury and Danbury. This includes the following major roads: State Road 15, Route 7, State Road 8, Route 6, State Road 40, State Road 66, State Road 17, State Road 72, State Road 9, Route 5, State Road 3, State Road 2, Route 44, Route 202, State Road 25. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 95, Interstate 91, Interstate 84, Interstate 691, Interstate 291 and Interstate 380. For flash flooding is prone to areas in and around Hartford, including Hartford County, especially in and around New York City, especially in southwestern Connecticut, where it is more urbanized. Flash flooding is occurring. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles, so do not drive into areas where water covers a roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Remember, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown.
Rock has issued a tornado warning for Russellville, Arkansas. Also, it will be capable of producing a thunderstorm with 50 damaging lines. This will also take effect in Pottsville. Get to a basement and have your battery-powered radio with you. If you don't have a basement, head straight to the bathroom and enter the bathtub. Use pillows and blankets to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If no shelter is available, get to a low ground and cover your head with your hands. If no low spot is found, get to another shelter node or call area code 177-533-8772 for information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Wyoming Division of Criminal Investigation. Wyoming Amber Alert. The Glen Rock Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for Abriel Kane. Abriel is 2 years old and was taken from her home this morning. She was wearing a pink short set with monkeys on it. She is possibly in a 2007 white Jeep Patriot with temporary tag.
We are activating the emergency alert system to bring you an actual emergency. The people at Poker Stars has predicted a blue screen of death warning. We want you to shut off your computer within the next 60 seconds or less, or else your computer will crash. There are over 10 million people from America, Italy, Japan, China, France, England, and Australia that have their computer crashed while trying to play Poker Stars in the last 10 minutes. So please, once again, shut off your computers right now. Better hurry up or else your computer's going to crash.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. NORAD has detected the launch of 4 nuclear missiles from North Korea. They are headed for 3 targets on the west coast of the continental United States: Seattle, Portland, and Los Angeles. The 4th missile is heading for Honolulu, Hawaii. The missile heading for Hawaii is expected to impact in 45 minutes, and those heading for the west coast are expected to hit within the hour. At this time, all residents in and within a 400-mile radius of these cities should seek a fallout shelter. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. It will only take a minute after impact for the effects of fallout to spread. If you cannot find a fallout shelter, local authorities will lead you to one. Take a battery-powered radio and all necessary supplies to your fallout shelter. Tune to 770 AM for information during your stay. Remember to turn off all ventilation systems, heating and air conditioning units. Close your doors and windows, and seal any cracks. If you decide to shelter in place, it isn't known if any more attacks will occur. The President will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems will transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KCPQ. We will continue to serve the Seattle area. If you are not in this local area, tune now to a station providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Seattle area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pierce County Emergency Operations Center. Mount Rainier is in danger of erupting. There have been lahar flows observed. A lahar is mud and debris flow that is coming off of the mountain. They have the potential to completely overtake locations at the base of Rainier. Everyone in the area needs to take action now, as mud flows will begin to affect populated areas within the next hour. Authorities are recommending that people take the following actions immediately. Everyone in Mount Rainier National Park needs to evacuate now, if possible. Follow evacuation routes posted, and get to a safe area. As a last resort, climb up onto the highest point you can reach within the next 10 minutes. Everyone in the following cities are in the lahar hazard zone, and need to seek out higher ground now. Alder, Ashford, Buckley, Carbonado, Eatonville, Elba, Greenwater, McKenna, Ording, Packwood, Puyallup, Randall, Sumner, and Wilkeson. If there is an evacuation route in your location, follow it now. Otherwise, evacuate the area and get to higher ground as soon as possible. Tune to stations 95.3 FM or 710 AM for updates and more information on this situation, including the location of shelters.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania State Police Department. An unidentified virus strain is rapidly spreading across the state of Pennsylvania. The first reports of the virus are believed to have been in State College. The virus has since spread throughout the state of Pennsylvania. It is believed that it will spread to adjacent states within the next 12 hours. Symptoms of this virus include initial nausea and vomiting, blurred vision, loss of muscle control, and unconsciousness. State College is also reporting that some of the affected persons are turning into zombie-like creatures. At any time, they may start causing massive damage to the area. Because this is an airborne virus, authorities recommend that the following action should be taken by all members of the public. Stay indoors, if at all possible. Turn off all heating and air conditioning systems. Wear breathing masks to prevent catching the virus. Have enough food and water supplies for sheltering for 1 to 2 weeks. If you catch this virus and show symptoms of turning into a zombie, you will be quarantined in your home for an indefinite period of time. Any residents not in the state of Pennsylvania hearing this message should also take these precautionary actions. If the virus continues to spread, these actions will be taken by your governments as well. Most importantly, stay safe in this situation. Unruly behavior will not be tolerated. You will be arrested. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Department of Homeland Security. A giant meteorite is set to impact the United States within the next hour. At this time, it is expected that it could directly strike any location in the Minneapolis-St. Paul area. The meteorite may also break apart and strike multiple locations. All residents within the radius of this broadcast are strongly encouraged to seek shelter right now, preferably in a room that does not have windows. While the effects of a direct strike are unavoidable, you can protect yourself from the resulting effects of the meteorite's impact. Again, seek shelter in an interior hallway or room that does not have windows. Further updates will be provided as more information is available. If the meteorite is expected to strike your location, get away from it as fast as possible. Seek out another location that does not have windows. Stay tuned to this station for further updates.
The United States federal government has issued an evacuation immediate for the following areas, the state of California until further notice. At 1:24 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, an asteroid at least 1/4 of a mile wide has been spotted in the skies over western Arizona after having just entered Earth's atmosphere and is headed towards the California coastline. If the asteroid impacts in the ocean, it will create a wave roughly 750 feet high that will hit the California coast at 100 miles per hour. If land impact occurs, the resulting explosion will be equivalent to over 1,000 Hiroshima bombs, with an estimated blast radius of 50 miles. If you are in the areas described in this broadcast, evacuate immediately. All TV stations in the area have ceased normal programming and are broadcasting this message. This warning will not be lifted until the area is confirmed safe. Emergency update. The asteroid is about to impact 10 miles north of San Diego. Oh shit. Here it comes. Oh god.